Hey guys, Portia here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new inkjet Canon printer. I got this for a Christmas gift from my husband. A few weeks ago, I was actually doing a lot of troubleshooting on my Epson Echo tank, and he's like, hey babe, just get a new one. I'm like, no, it's only a year old. I can fix this. But he saw all the problems I was going through and decided this would be a really good gift for Christmas. And I think it probably is. So I'm excited about it. So what we are going to do is unbox this, and I'm going to set it up. And from there, we are going to do a test print. So I'm going to do a print then cut just to see how vibrant the colors are and all that good stuff. So hopefully it is way better than my Epson Echo tank, which I'm so disappointed in. It's not even funny. But before we jump into our unboxing, why don't you go ahead and hit that like button as well as subscribe so you can stay up to date with all my videos. So let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and get this Canon opened. All right, so let's see. Looks like somebody been rummaging in here already. So let's see. This is just instructions on how to take it out. Let's get this out of the box. This box is almost bigger than me, y'all. Let's see. All right. Don't need that. All right, so of course it comes with cartridges. So this is a extra large black, I believe. And then we got our regular colors, the black, the cyan, the magenta, and of course our yellow. Now, one of the things when I did some of my research, I realized is this one allows you to print on larger pieces of paper, which is kind of cool, especially if you're doing like sublimation and you want to get really good big images. I also like the sleek design of it. And I did some research on Amazon, and this printer rated really high amongst the Amazon reviewers, so that tells me that a lot of people are happy with it. So I will say, I had a hard time getting it out the box because I'm doing it on the floor and it's awkward trying to stay in camera shot with you guys, but it's not that heavy. And also, of course, we got our little instruction booklet. Seems simple enough. Our software, and of course the power supply. So far so good. Doesn't look too difficult to set up, but you never really know until you get right on into it. Don't you just like new things, nice and shiny and sleek? So this is where it's gonna live. This is a honeydew rolling cart. So it falls right in line with everything that I use on a fairly regular basis. But if we go ahead and let's see, open it up. We got our tray to catch our paper, of course. And then closer look on the inside before I add everything. Well, the cartridges. And then we got our paper holder. Like I said, this one extends extra long because it can do really long sheets of paper. I think it's like 11 by 17, something like that I read. But yeah, that's how it looks when it's all extended. Okay, so the tape has been removed. We've turned on the printer. We've inserted all of the cartridges. But yeah, next step is actual software install. All right, guys, let's go ahead and hop right on into Cricut Design Space. The install went pretty well. It went fast. I did want to do a wireless install. That didn't work out so great at first, so I just went on ahead and did a USB hookup. They were asking for an admin password or whatever. I was like, okay, don't know what you're talking about. So I just hooked it up, do it via USB. I'll do the Wi-Fi a little bit later. Anywho, let's go ahead and do our first print. And I found this image here on Etsy. And it was by Bruno Art Boutique. And I thought that it was really pretty. Oh my God, that is so big. Let us, okay, get this a little bit smaller. So I thought this was really pretty. If you guys look at all the details that's in here, all the vibrant colors, I'm sure it'll look awesome on a black shirt. But the thing about it is we have to get it down to the right size. And I also thought this would be a good challenge to see, you know, is it really good for, you know, print thin cut. So let's make this smaller. So it's gonna go on a baby tee because I want to iron this on. And I'm gonna print it onto transfer tape, transfer paper. And I don't need the image to be so big, so let's go ahead and unlock that. The width can be about 4 inches and the height 5 inches. Nothing too wow. Oh my God, that looks so tiny. Make that a little bit bigger. I think that's pretty. Okay, this totally needs some words to it, and I'm gonna do the words in vinyl. So there's something that I like to say, but I'm fly. You know, butterfly, play on words. Okay, I know it's corny, but I like it. So let's go ahead and get a font. There's a font that I have been in love with, HTV Thing or King, I can't remember which one it is. That's not it. Let's see. Let's search heart. Here it is. I must have typed it in wrong. So I think this will be really pretty with this particular ping. So let's go ahead and get this taken care of right quick. So I think that will look really pretty if we do that in gold. Yeah, gold writing right beside her head. And that's going to be in HTV, but of course we know what our focus is on. Let's go ahead and hit make it. And continue. And we are going to send to printer. All right, first print. Let's see how it do. Okay, I have to say that was really fast. I think that was faster than I was expecting. Okay, but let me see. Oh, wow. I have to say that the colors came out nice and vibrant. Way better than I was expecting. You see all the details in the hair there? That's really pretty. We got our butterflies and stuff. Okay, so now guys, let's go ahead and send it over to the maker. So I'm so loving this image, but I don't know why y'all let me pick out such an intricate image. It's gonna be a little hard to peel off of this transfer paper, but what I'm gonna do is take my time and peel it up just a little bit at a time. I'm gonna use my Cricut tool with my little spatula and stuff because I don't want to break into any of the parts that shouldn't be torn, because this paper is really delicate, the transfer paper. Alright guys, so there we have our image. I think this goes here. I am so happy with that. So let's go ahead and press this down onto the shirt. So per the instructions, I'm going to go ahead and use my heat press. We are going to do 375. Let's see. Let me set that to 375 for about 13 seconds. And they say use maximum pressure. So we're going to go ahead and put our paper over here. Like I said, 13 seconds maximum pressure. And we are going to wait 30 seconds because this is a warm peel. All right, I've waited long enough. Oh, y'all, it is so pretty. Let me get this. Nice. I think I am going to add some more embellishments like gold, a little bit of bling up in there and stuff like that. But I'm totally pleased with the vibrancy that the Canon has allowed us. There is nothing I would change. I might play with the font a little bit more, but like I said, this t-shirt is for me. So initially I wanted it here, but I ended up putting it there. And like I said, I'll fill it out with a little bit of bling to make it, you know, pop just a little bit more. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. But until next time, peace.